Okay, welcome back. Okay, so we have another question from June 2025 paper. This is question 24 and it's a math question. So a manufacturer wants to produce 6 weather vanes similar to the one in figure 5. So 6 of these. They have 2 manufacturing methods. 1 skilled worker, a team of 5 workers working together to make each weather vane. Method 1, 1 worker only making 6 weather vanes. Study table 2 showing the cost to make 1 weather vane by this method. So we have the material cost, tools and equipment, that's £5. The labour cost per hour, and it takes 4 hours to make. So first we need to work out how much it costs to make 1, and then we can times that by the number of weather vanes that we want to make. So it costs £22 an hour. It takes 4 hours. We times that by 4. £22 times 4 to make 1. We also need to add the cost of £5. So by doing that, we get a total cost of £93 for 1. Now we want to make 6, so we times the answer by 6, which gives us 558. Now we put the answer where it says answer, 558. This working out gets me 1 mark. This working out gets me the 2nd mark. Okay, now we have the answer, we've just put the answer here. Question 24.2, 5 workers working as a team to make all 6 weather vanes. Study table 3 showing the cost to make 1 weather vane by this method. So again, we have the same £5 cost, same £22 per hour, and it takes half an hour to make, 0.5 hours. So this one is worth more because there's a lot more to calculate. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to work out how many hours it takes to make all 6. So because it takes half an hour, if we want to make 2, that's an hour. If we want to make 4, that's 2 hours. 6, that's 3 hours. But if we're doing it to calculate, we would do 6 times 0.5, which will give us 3. So 3 hours. That's how long it will take. Now we have to pay the workers £22 an hour. So £22 an hour. Okay. There are 3 of them. Sorry, there are 5 of them. So we times it by 5 and we get £110. Now it takes, so the team of 5 costs £110 per hour. Now we know they work for 3 hours. So we times that by 3, giving us £330. Now, we still have, we've done this. We still have this cost of £5. So we have, it costs us £5 in materials and tools and equipment, and we have 6 to make. So we times that by 6, giving us a total of £30. Okay, so this is the 3rd mark. Okay, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks. Now this is how we get the 4th mark. It costs us £330 plus the £30 of material, giving us £360. So we put the answer down here, £360. Now the last question, 24.3, which of the 2 methods is more cost effective for the manufacturer? Explain your answer. So even though we have a bigger team of 5 workers compared to the 1, because it takes less time to do the work, they're producing more. What we can say in here, you have to establish an answer why it's quicker, okay, or how much they are saving. So again, you could explain your answer by working out how much they save. So if we take 558 minus the 360 gives us a saving of £198. Method 2 is the most cost effective as they will save £198. That's my first mark. Compared to method 1, this is because there are 5 workers taking less time to make the veins. So this is my second reason that supports the first one. Okay, hence the 2 marks.